Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to discuss lecture on construction of analytic function. Construction of analytic function in polar coordinates. So find the analytic function where v of r comma theta is equal to r square cos 2 theta minus r cos theta plus 2, and also find f z is equal to u of r comma theta plus I v of r comma theta. This is we need to find out after calculation of real part. Then we want to take f of z is equal to u of r comma theta plus I v of r comma theta. So what is given first in the problem? Very important in polar coordinate is given. So given that v of r comma theta is equal to r square cos 2 theta minus r cos theta plus 2. Here v is given, then just find out dou v by dou r and dou v by dou theta. What is dou v by dou r? Dou v by dou r nothing but partial derivative of v with respect to r. So r square nothing but 2r cos 2 theta is same minus r differentiation 1 cos theta constant and plus 2 became a 0. So dou v by dou r is equal to 2r cos 2 theta minus cos theta. Similarly, we estimate dou v by dou theta. Dou v by dou theta nothing but partial derivative of v with respect to theta. So here r square is constant. Cos 2 theta differentiation is minus sin 2 theta, and dou by dou theta of theta nothing but 2. So r square minus 2 sin 2 theta minus r is constant cos theta differentiation minus sin theta plus constant differentiation 0. So this implies dou v by dou theta is equal to minus 2r square sin 2 theta minus minus plus becomes r sin theta. We have CR equation. What we need to find out? Here dou v, dou here we need to find out u. Here remaining part is given, then we need to find out real parts. So we have CR equations in polar coordinate system. Dou u by dou r is equal to 1 by r into dou v by dou theta, and dou v by dou r is equal to minus 1 by r into dou v by dou theta. Anyone forget the polar coordinates? The CR equations in polar coordinates, just start with dou u by dou r. 1 is equal to 1 by r into dou v by dou theta. Similarly, dou v by dou r, remember dou u by dou r also, and dou u by dou r and dou v by dou r, left sides. Dou u by dou r means those partial derivative of u with respect to r. So dou u by dou r is equal to 1 by r into dou v by dou theta, and dou v by dou r is equal to minus 1 by r into dou v by dou theta. Now substitute, take any one equation. Now dou u by dou r is equal to 1 by r into dou v by dou theta. What is dou v by dou theta? Here minus 2r square sin 2 theta plus r sin theta. Substituting in the first equation. So dou u by dou r is equal to, taking r common here both sides, both the terms containing r square r common. So taking r common, then get cancelled. Balance is minus 2r sin 2 theta plus sin theta. Now this implies dou u by dou r is equal to minus 2r sin 2 theta plus sin theta. Now taking integration on both sides with respect to r. So integral dou u is equal to minus 2 sin 2 theta into r dr plus sin theta into dr. Integral dr. Then plus v is equal to, here minus 2 sin theta constant. Integral dr r means r square by 2, like integral x dx. Sin plus sin theta into integral dr means r plus c. Here implies u is equal to minus r square sin 2 theta plus r sin theta plus c. Here c is complex constant. If c is what? Complex integral constant. Now we construct analytic function. W equal to w, nothing but u plus I v. So where what is u? Minus r square sin 2 theta plus r sin theta. What is v? Plus I into r square cos 2 theta minus r cos theta plus here in v what? R square cos 2 theta minus r cos theta plus 2. So plus 2 is a constant. 2 into I 2i. Having basically it is c. 2i plus c is another complex constant. Now in this number, what is real part? This is a real part. This is imaginary part. This is a constant. So that is complex constant. So what I am writing? V of r comma theta is equal to, this is the real part, minus r square sin 2 theta plus r sin theta, and v of r comma theta is equal to r square cos 2 theta minus r cos theta. This is the complex value function. W to f of z is u plus I. Therefore f of z is equal to minus r square sin 2 theta plus r sin theta plus I into r square cos 2 theta minus r cos theta. This is the function. Okay, now going to discuss second problem. Find the analytic function f z is equal to u of r comma theta plus I v of r comma theta if u is equals to a into 1 plus cos theta. What is given in the problem? First understand. Here, very clear. Real part is given in a polar coordinate system. Real part is given. U is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, but we need to estimate first of all the imaginary part of a analytic function. So first, here given u is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. That implies just finding whatever the real part or imaginary part is given. Just estimate dou u by dou theta, dou u by dou theta first. And next one is dou u by dou r. Dou u by dou theta nothing but partial derivative of u with respect to theta. That is equals to u into derivative only 0, cos theta differentiation minus sin theta. So a into 0 minus sin theta. So dou u by dou theta is equal to simply dou u by dou theta is equal to what? Minus a sin theta. And dou u by dou r. Here very clear, u is a function of cos theta. So dou u by dou r means here directly you can write 0 because of with respect to r is a cos theta and a is a constant. So become derivative constant is 0. So very clear, dou u by dou theta is equal to minus a sin theta and dou u by dou r is equal to 0 because of here and with respect to r here function having theta. So dou u by dou r is equal to 0. We have CR equations in polar coordinate system. What are the CR equations in polar coordinate system? Dou u by dou r is equal to 1 by r into dou v by dou theta and dou v by dou r is equal to minus 1 by r into dou v by dou theta. We want to estimate the imaginary part by using any one of the causes given equation Cartesian polar coordinate system. So put dou u by dou theta is equal to minus I sin theta minus a sin theta in second equation because of here second equation having what? Dou v by dou r. So in dou v by dou r is equal to minus 1 by r into dou v by dou theta. What I am saying, put dou v by dou theta is equal to minus a sin theta in dou v by dou r is equal to minus 1 by r dou v by dou theta. That implies dou v by dou r same is equal to minus 1 by r into what is dou v by dou theta? Minus a sin theta. I am substituting here. So this implies here minus minus becomes plus dou v by dou r is equal to a sin theta by r. We need to estimate b. So taking integration of both sides. Dou v is equal to a sin theta by r into dr. This is what? Dr. dr. Take integration of both sides. Implies d integral dv is equal to a sin theta is constant because of respect to r integration. A sin theta into integral dr by r. This is the integral and differentiation can cancel. After that, integral dv is equal to v is equal to a sin theta integral dr by r means integral like dx by x. That implies log integral dr by r means log r plus c. Here c is particularly integral constant in complex number system. So where c is equal to a plus ib. Therefore b is equal to a sin theta log r plus a plus ib because of integral constant c is nothing but a plus ib. Now we construct complex value function in polar coordinate system. F z equal to u plus ib, we have the formula. U is what already given a into 1 plus cos theta. V already just we have estimated v a sin theta log r plus integral constant a plus ib. Then after that we have separated real imaginary parts a into 1 plus cos theta plus a, okay, plus I into a sin theta log r plus b I nothing but b because of I will come here. So here what do you want to find out? Real imaginary parts of complex value function. So u of r comma theta is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta plus a. This is real part. V of r theta is equal to log r into a sin theta plus b. This is now coming to the problem number 3. Find the analytic function f z equal to u r comma theta plus I become e of r comma theta if u is equal to minus r cube sin 3 theta. In this problem also required to find out the f of z is equal to like u of r comma theta plus I v of r comma theta. If u is equal to minus r cube sin 3 theta, that is given. What is given in this problem? Real part is given. What is real part? U. That is called what? Minus r cube sin theta. So first finding dou u by dou theta. Dou u by dou theta nothing but partial derivative of u with respect to theta. That means r cube constant. So minus r cube into sin theta differentiation cos theta and dou by dou theta of theta nothing but 3. So minus r cube 3 cos theta. So minus 3 r cube sin theta nothing but dou u by dou theta. Similarly, we want to find dou u by dou r. Dou u by dou r nothing but partial derivative of with respect to r. So sin 3 theta minus sin 3 theta into dou by dou r of r. Here dou by dou r of r cube. Implies dou by dou r equal to r cube differentiation 3r square. So minus 3r square sin 3 theta. This is dou by dou r. This is dou by dou theta. Now we have CR equations in power coordinate system. Dou by dou r equal to 1 by r into dou by dou theta. And dou by dou r equal to minus 1 by r into dou by dou theta. Put to now what want to find out? We u is given. We need to estimate v. So you can use any one of the CR equation. You will get v. I am taking dou by dou r equal to minus 3r square sin 3 theta. In dou by dou r equal to 1 by r into dou by dou theta. You can use any one CR equation. You will get value of v. So minus your dou by dou r nothing but minus 3r square sin 3 theta is equal to 1 by r into dou by dou theta. So now multiplying order from right to left we are getting r, then minus 3r cube sin 3 theta equal to dou by dou theta. Taking integration both sides. Minus 3 sin 3 theta minus 3 sin 3 theta dou theta is equal to minus 1 by r cube dou v. Taking integration both sides. Here minus 3 is constant sin 3 theta into d theta is equal to d theta dou theta is equal to 1 by r cube into d. Sin 3 theta means minus cos 3 theta, inner derivative of 3 I have written denominator, 3 get cancelled, 1 by r cube is constant, so limit integral dou nothing but d plus c, s is integral constant. S is what? Limit constant. So minus becomes plus cos 3 theta by 3 is equal to d by r cube plus c. Here we need to estimate object, but here v is what? R cube cos 3 theta by 3 minus c r cube equal to v. What is required here? Actually equal to u of r comma theta plus I k comma v of r comma theta. We need to estimate this value only. So actually equal to u of r comma theta plus I k r comma theta. But u, what is u that is given? Minus r cube sin 3 theta. What we have already v r cube by 3 cos theta minus c r cube. So here just separate we can evaluate what's in terms of complex real values. So r cube is sin. Now substituting u and v in this function. Put to u of what is given u is equal to minus r cube sin theta. And what we have v r cube cos theta by 3 minus c r cube in this function. Now this is u, this is v. This is the form of f of z nothing but u of r comma theta plus I of r comma theta.